So to begin this phonics lesson, you may need to take out your new blue materials folder, and I'll show you why. So we're going to be looking for this booklet here. It has the letter D on the front, okay? So go ahead and take that out, okay? And you're going to write your name on the top using a pencil, okay? So I'm going to write my name. You need to write yours since this is a new booklet. Make sure you do that. Okay. First name and last name, please. Okay. So what do we have here? We have a new letter here today. Say dog, d, dog, dog, okay? And there's our capital D, and there's our lowercase d. Say capital D, lowercase d. Now you get to write it. Okay, on this line number 1, write your capital D. So it's a line and a curve. And then right here, we're going to write our lowercase d. So that is, first you do your diaper, okay, close it up, and then you're going to put the stick on that. Okay, so there's your lowercase d. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then down in our box here, we're going to find and circle our lowercase d's. Okay, so there's a Z, G, here's a D, E, L, D, Y, D, D, F, M, T, E, G, a D, and a D. So go back and count, see how many you found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have found 6. Okay, check your work. Make sure you found that. Okay, now let's go to the back side of this page so we can finish this lesson. Okay, all right. Okay, so right here for number 2, what is that picture right there? That's right, that's a pair of scissors. Scissors. Okay, so what do you hear at the beginning? We hear scissors. How do we write that sound? S. Very good. We write that with the S. So please write a lowercase s right there. Okay. Number 3. What kind of animal is that? That's right. It's a dinosaur. Say dinosaur. Dinosaur. So you need to write the letter D. If you're concerned about how to make that, because B's and D's can be tricky, look right down there. There's a D right there. There's a D right there. So you're going to use that to help you make your D. So that means you put your diaper first, and then you put your stick. Okay, so there's the letter D. Okay. Number 4, what's that? That's right, it's an elephant. 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 So you need to write your lowercase e. Okay, let's go ahead and do that right here. Write that lowercase e for the beginning sound in elephant. Let's go to number 5. We're going to sound out this word and code it. Okay, so we have d, og, og, dog. That is the word dog. Okay, so where's the vowel? The vowel is in the middle. And what vowel is that? It's an O, and it's making the sound ah. It is the short vowel sound followed by a consonant, so we code that with a brief. And then where's the picture of the dog? Is it the first, the second, or the last? That's right, it's the second picture. So we're going to connect the dog to the picture of the dog, the word dog to the picture of the dog. Okay, let's go to the next word right here. Okay, we can sound that out. D, a, ol, ol. Ol, all, doll. That's the word doll. Okay, and what's the vowel in that word? It's the O. What sound is it making? Ah, so it is a short vowel sound. It is a short vowel sound followed by a consonant. So we're going to go ahead and code that with a brief. And are we done coding that word? You're right, we're not done. We have twin consonants, right? So we just put a slanted line through that second L. Doll. And that's how doll looks when it's coded. Okay, so is the doll first or last here? That's right, it's last. So let's go ahead and connect the picture of the doll, the word doll, to the picture of the doll. All right, now let's go to number 7. Let's sound out that word. D, I, S, K. isk, disc. That is the word disc. Okay, so do we have a vowel in that word? Yes, we do. It's the I. And is it the long vowel sound or the short vowel sound? It is the short vowel sound, right. It's the short vowel sound, I. It's followed by a consonant, so we can code that I with a breve, just like that. Okay, and so the disc is the only picture left. That's the first picture here, and that is a disc. We're going to go ahead and connect that. And that is a picture from a long time ago. Those kind of discs used to be used in computer. You really use those in computers anymore. Okay. All right, let's go down to our high frequency word box. Go ahead and read those with me. You, help, help, 10, into, 1. So please go ahead and circle the word into, into, right here. Did you circle that one? If you didn't, go ahead and fix it. That's the word that you wanted to circle for into. You can almost sound it out. It's just that O sound there makes it a sight word instead of a word that's easy to read. You just have to memorize it, okay? Okay, give yourself the exit ticket. And now you took this out of your new materials blue folder. Make sure your name is on the front. So now you have to take this and put it back inside your blue phonics folder. Okay, so you have that to work on another day.